Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today it's outside, it's raining and it's kind of windy and cold. Not a good day to be out grilling. So we are going to do a recipe here inside the house. What we're going to do is a copycat of the shrimp scampi you can find at Red Lobster. I got this recipe offline and we'll give it a try. So let's get into this. Let's clean up the shrimp and we'll follow it step by step. And I'll let you know if it's the same thing as Red Lobster. Now the closest Red Lobster to us is about a 2-hour drive. So it's a luxury for me to go to Red Lobster, my favorite restaurant. So I'm gonna try to make it here in the house. Let's get into this.
Regulators, mount up.
can't wait to try this Red Lobster Copycat Shrimp Scampi. Let's get one and try it out here. Get some of that juice on there. Let's see here. How does that look? Let's try it. Oh my. Oh yeah. Definitely can taste the garlic in there. A little bit of lemon. That seasoning. Oh yeah. Italian seasoning. Awesome. This is really good. I probably should have doubled the batch of the broth to really get it to have that real thickness that Red Lobster has, but no, this is great shrimp scampi. I better put my fork down, otherwise I'll eat this whole plate. Okay, so you saw how I did that, where I went ahead and cleaned the shrimp, deveined them, and some of them I kept the tails on, but a lot of them I popped them off. So either way you want to do it. Then I just seasoned them with half a tablespoon of salt and a half tablespoon of pepper. Mix that up really good. Put it in a skillet. Put some oil in a skillet. Put the shrimp in there and let them go till they got that beautiful opaque pink color. I took them out of there. Then I added the garlic to the pan. Kind of let it cook for a minute or two to kind of soften it up and make it aromatic. And then I added the white wine and lemon juice. Brought that to a boil. Let it boil for a couple minutes. Then I added the Italian seasoning to it and the butter, and then kind of let that butter melt down. And then I threw the chopped parsley in it, and then I added the shrimp back and kind of mixed it all up. Got the broth over there. We'll add it more onto this, and added Parmesan cheese, and it's just beautiful. I mean, seriously, folks. If you like shrimp and you like shrimp scampi, does it get any better than that? Where all this camera goes? Yeah, that's delicious looking. So, is it the same as Red Lobster? Not quite. Not quite the same flavor as Red Lobster. I think Red Lobster probably uses more butter than I did, and but it's close and it's dang good. Not a bad recipe. Not a bad recipe to do when it's raining outside like it is today. So, anyhow, like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends, grill on. Time to go eat some shrimp. I also want to give a shout out to somebody I consider a friend now. We met through YouTube, commenting on my videos, and then we've been messaging back and forth about different grills and stuff. And he sent me this really cool hat. It's got the R logo on it. That's pretty neat. So John, thank you. Love the hat.